I do want to tell you guys about this country because this country is going to be casted. Today I'm going to tell you about an interesting South American country which is easy to go to. Now this country is strictly e-visa for Nigerians. Nigeria do not have access to a whole lot of countries e-visa because of the strength of our passports. This country is even more faster than Brazil. You don't even need documentations as you have in Brazil. No. The process for you to stay in that country will have to be get a job, go out of the country and get back into the country. Approvals from this country comes in 72 hours to 7 working days. How do you go about the process of this visa? Share the button before I tell you about the country. Now, what's the process of applying to this country and what are the requirements? One, you are going to need the international passport data page. Two, you are going to book a round trip flight itinerary. You are not advised to buy a ticket. For the purpose of the application, you book a round trip. Then you have to have a place that you're staying there. That's your hotel reservations. Now, let me tell you the interesting part is number 4. I was going to send invitation letter, but like I also revealed in one of my videos, one of the secret acts for getting an invitation letter is to use a hotel reservation. So for number 4, use your hotel reservation as your invitation letter. Then 5, you need to show your bank statement. I told you the lowest you can go is $500. And then you need to show a proof or a ties to your country. You need to show you have marriage certificates. You put your marriage certificate. If you have kids, your kids' birth certificate. Then you have to show landed properties. Then for the business aspect, if you own a business, you have to show your CSC, you have to show other documents that are relating to your business, like your tax document, that's your TIN document. You have to attach a leave letter from your company that you'll be leaving. For people that are going personally, what you need is get an employment letter. So you get a leave approval letter. You have your pay slip together. These are what's coming from your job for this application. The visa process application costs $65 only. And then it's also a single entry and multi-entry tips, and all strictly online. The name of the country is Suriname. Thank you for watching this video. And then if you need support in between going to Suriname for a tourist visa or whatever process, you can reach out to K.Getaway Concepts. Their number will be in the description below. So share this video and subscribe.